What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, back again for another video. And it's been a minute, but we're back here, man. And today I just wanted to get out of London. That's all I wanted to do. I needed to, so I took a little trip like 2 days ago up to HCAF. I tried to make a video, but I don't know what happened, man. I genuinely don't know what happened. Well, I do know what happened. Here's what happened. I got this new DJI wireless mic set up. I tried to put it let me make it quiet. I tried to put it under the tail seat, but I forgot to take off the magnetic bit. I must have went over a bump and literally it stuck on top of the actual rear seat. And once that happened, obviously it just caused a bunch of rattling, and the footage is kind of unusable, unfortunately. So here I am again. I came back out here. I wasn't even planning to make a video, just for the love of the game. Just for the love of the game. When I get to hear the inline 4 roar of my ZX6R, how could I not be out here? Oh my days. I'd be a madman to not come up out here. But look at these roads, man. It's beautiful. This route takes me through villages and all sorts. It's amazing. And yeah, man, I just came out here to have a ride, man. I got some new gloves. Thought I'd try those out and bet those in because they did feel a bit weird. I'm starting to get the hang of it. Test out this setup as well. Why not at the same time? Finally sorted out my Quadlock, because I didn't really speak about it, but it was all jiggling all over the place. That was pissing me off. And just, it's like 30 degrees today, man. How could I not be out here enjoying it? How could I not? Initially, that first road that I started back on, I wanted to learn, I wanted to practice some wheelies. But because last time I came down here, on the way back, the road was quiet as hell. But reflecting upon that now, that was at like 6 o'clock, maybe 7 o'clock. I came here about an hour early. So I'm gonna go up to HCAF. I'm gonna have a little drink, maybe chill for a bit, come back down. Hopefully the road is a lot quieter. It is a Wednesday night, so he's hoping when I go back the road will be a bit quieter, and then we can I'll have a second video. Why not? But for now, man, just enjoy this nice chill cruise down to HCAF. It's like a 10-minute ride. Enjoy, man, enjoy. I definitely will. I saw that same car, I swear I saw that same car the other day. Around the same place too. I know exactly why as well. I wanted to come out here and practice some wheelies. I've been watching a lot of videos. Those Americans, man, I swear to God, I'll be thinking you can do anything. I'm not exactly watching wheelie tutorials, but I'm just watching motor vlogs. They were just popping wheelies all over the place. It made it look so easy. I wanted to come out here and just give it a try on a nice quiet road, but like I said, the road wasn't so quiet. Say this. chill out. Let me chill out. Chill out. I swear to God, there's something wrong with me. I can't follow directions. But to be fair, this ain't even talking to me. I don't know why. It's not saying anything. I'll turn it down. I don't know. Oh, that's why. I've stopped it from. I'll have to pull over somewhere and deal with it. Remember that behavior? That's insane. Let me try to sort this out real quick. There we go. There we go, now it's chatting to me. I'm doing is going back around to that roundabout on this fucking single track lane road. Look at that. You know what I want to do? Oh, perfect, perfect. I want to turn around here. I want to go back down that road because I kind of like that road. If I can do it without dying, that would be great. I'll definitely pass my test, I promise. There we go. Perfect. Blind as hell, fam. I swear it wasn't that bad coming around the other way. Yeah, these roads are amazing, man. Honestly, it's lovely to get out of London and just be out here and all this. You know, your boy is a city boy, so this kind of shit fascinates me. Fucking hell, look at the gravel here. Jesus. There you go. Oh, look at that. How's that for of you? I made the right decision coming back the other way. Look at that. I don't even want to speed anymore. Look at that. I don't even want to speed anymore. Fucking hell. pushing the lane like this, trying to get closer to the views, like when they get any closer. I just love it out here, man. So glad I took these couple of days off of work. Weather was so good. All week it's been amazing. When I came out the other day, at one point I thought I took the wrong turn, and I was getting stuck in someone's yard. Yeah, that's that's the kind of bad sense of direction I have, even though there's a sat nav right in front of me. Make it make sense. There we go, fourth exit. Now I know exactly where I'm going. Stick a camera back there and see if it shoots flames. Yeah, first time I used these gloves, I rode to work in them. Hated them. I absolutely hated them. Couldn't feel a damn thing. But now, they're not bad. I'm enjoying them, actually. Exhaust, but there's no snap, it doesn't sound crisp, there's no crispness to it whatsoever. I mean, like, sometimes there is a nice little snap when you upshift, but oh, it's just, I need that. I need it. That crisp snap on the upshifts just does something to me, man. It is a nice exhaust, it's loud. But it's I need more, I need something more, I just need that extra factor. Which always leads me back to the SC project. Of course, they're going to get a tune. Last time I got the No more Mafia tune? More Mafia? Yeah, I sent my ECU out to America. And we got the more Mafia tune, but this time I'm looking to get a local tune by someone well known, so or at least a shop well known. So I've already sorted that out. I know exactly where I'm going. I just need to get the SC project. I'm still split between, I remember last time I told you guys, it was between the SC project, the Austin racing, and the other one. I can always forget the name in the heat of the moment. I'll put it up on the screen now. But between those three, I'm still kind of torn between. I've kind of ruled out the other one just because there's a certain version of it that you can't get on this bike, which kind of annoys me. But it's one of those things, I guess. Exclusivity for the bigger bikes. So it's just one of those things. Right now it's between the Austin racing and the SC project for the moment. No, I want this one. I want this one. It's closed though, I think, yeah. Shit, it's closed. Just wanted a drink.